You need two colors and just three steps to make this entire illustration come to life. So let's begin with our today's illustration, which is a monochromatic. Tea is my universe. Here I would predict myself as coffee as my universe because I'm a coffee person. We are starting off with a 2080 into 2860 resolution for today's illustration, and also we are starting off with a teacup or coffee cup. Here I'm using tattoo inker to roughly give the outline of teacup with a saucer in it, and we are going to use blending brush to actually blend the soft edge, hard edge of the coffee and making sure it looks a little bit more realistic. Of course you can steps in some more time to actually make it much better, but I feel like the entire illustration comes to the part of starry skies and the moon. So I'm going to go very rough with the cup and the saucer. Make sure to draw a cup little bit taller because after the illustration I kind of increase the size of it, which you will see at the end of the image. So make sure you draw the cup little bigger compared to the size we are currently illustrating. So let's move on to the second step, which is our sky with stars. So we are just using fountain pen and we have added a new layer beneath the cup layer, and I'm just going to draw a freehand map style, like an aura coming out of the teacup. So imagine a steam coming out of the teacup, but here it's just an entire star-studded sky with moon. So I think every morning anybody who is a coffee person or tea person, they have to start off the day with a cup of their own tea or coffee, and only then you're able to compatible with the world and you can start off with the day. And of course there are people who don't drink anything because I think the energy of caffeine deprives over the period of time in a day. But I'm someone who feels very sleepy when I start my day, and I prefer to have coffee since it's wake up my sense and make sure I'm human being again. I don't think it's a very good habit, but I think many of us can relate to. And with the help of fill bucket, I'm just filling the layer and then I'm coloring the top edge of the coffee or tea here and making it black because this entire illustration is monochromatic with just two-tone color here, black and white. And if you look, the blending happens in a shade of blended color. We are using speckle brush for adding those star in the sky. Just make sure to add a new layer or you can follow up in the same layer here. And don't worry about spreading out in the white layer because since this is white, we are not going to worry much about. And we are going to pick up black color to add those speckle outside of the sky. So imagine this as a cup of tea, steam coming out in the form of your universe building up. Once you have the sip, you are able to cooperate with the world and live a great life. So once we are done with this, we are just going to start off with the moon layer. If you have not yet subscribed to my newsletter, you should definitely give a look through. I'll make sure to leave the link down below and also on the IQ card because it's going to be our fourth week with our free newsletter from my inbox to your inbox. Every Saturday, I'm going to send what all I have learned in the week through book, through podcast, through illustration. What is the reason behind of drawing certain illustration on certain day? It's kind of a fun way of catching up an entire week and telling my life story along with you all. And also we are in the final stage of drawing a moon. We're using fountain pen with the help of draw stress circle. I'm going to add a circle, and with the help of fill bucket I'm going to fill it. And also we are going to add few shadow or depth in the moon. I'm using fountain pen, and with the help of wash brush I'm going to slowly blend it across. Once that is done, I'm going to use cashmere eraser and with the help of draw stress circle to cut out the rough edge of the moon and make it look more realistic. Just make sure to take your sweet time while illustrating, since I've been doing for a past of 2 weeks continuously uploading, and I'm happen to draw so many moon across the time. So that's the reason I'm able to finish it up in just 5 minutes. This video is just not on speed, any 2x or 4x speed. Only I think I've reduced it tempo from 6 minutes to 5 minutes 15 seconds. So make sure you take your sweet time. This is one of the easiest illustration I have done so far, and make sure to draw this, tag me on Instagram. I'm happy to see and also share it with the community here and in my newsletter. Hope you guys have enjoyed the illustration, and make sure to share it with your illustration or artist friends so that we can have a good community there. And till then, have a great life, enjoy yourself. And I'm going to add few more star here with the help of sparkle brush because I feel like I need few popping of the star here. So hope you guys enjoyed Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Till then, have a great life. Enjoy yourself. Life is too short to even think what's going to happen tomorrow. Just do your best. Rest it will follow. Bye bye. Have a great life.